Well, hello, travel family. Danny here with Nationwide Cruises and Vacations. And I just want to say happy Independence Day week. It is July 1st of 2024. So I wanted to take a minute and just wish everyone a great Independence July 4th week, and also give you a some travel updates, a couple of travel updates for you. But if this is the first time that you are watching one of my travel videos, I want to welcome you here to our family at Nationwide Cruises and Vacations. So welcome. And of course, if you've not already done so, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with all things travel. So it's July 1st of 2024, Independence Day week. And want to talk about just a couple of things that is going on in the world of travel right now and give you some travel tips. And this storm, this hurricane that is in the Caribbean right now, it's showing to hit possibly several Caribbean islands, and also then heading on over to the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, there in Playa del Carmen and Cancun and that area of Mexico. And I want to just tell everybody that is there, whether that is your home or you're visiting, to please be very, very safe through this storm. But also what I want to talk about when it comes to these type of situations, and you are scheduled to travel, say to Mexico or a Caribbean island where a storm is projected to hit during your travel, this is something that you need to be aware of, and hopefully you will do, because I'm very, very passionate about travel insurance. I believe in travel insurance. If you leave the US, you need travel insurance. That's just all there is to it. You need travel insurance. So we had several customers who were scheduled to leave on June 28th and some on June 28th, June 29th, and June 30th for the Independence Day week. And most of them were heading to Paramaya area of Mexico. And of course, we've been talking to each one of them and trying to work with them so they can decide exactly what they were going to do, if they were still going to go or if they were going to postpone their trip to a future date. And the thing I'm going to tell you is that luckily all of our travelers that were scheduled to travel, they all had travel insurance. And that almost all of them had the travel insurance that gave them the option to cancel, get a future travel credit, and then rebook in the future. Some did opt for the cancel for any reason, but to be honest with you, most travelers, when booking a air and land package, they book for the one that gives them the insurance for a future travel because they know they're going to travel again. And usually that insurance is just a little bit less. For packages that include air and resorts, if you don't have travel insurance and you feel like you have to cancel, then typically, I hate to tell you this, you're probably going to be out the money unless the airlines issue waivers or the resorts issue waivers. Then otherwise, you may be out of money. So that is why I highly recommend travel insurance. And then, of course, when it comes to travel insurance, I want to tell you, you've got to look at the coverage. You have to understand it because there are several different insurance policies out there. For instance, cruise insurance, or as we refer to it as cruise care insurance, it can be very different from insurance that will cover an air and resort package. So please review those insurance coverages. If you are leaving or traveling outside of the US, never leave home without that travel insurance. And to all of our travelers that you had to postpone your trip because of this hurricane, I want to thank you for buying travel insurance because you made it so easy on you. And of course, then we can work with you to get you rebooked in the future, work with you to let you know when those vouchers, when the book buy and the travel dates the travel dates and book buy dates of those insurance vouchers. So thank you for buying, insurance and protecting yourself. Another subject that's coming up more and more and more is, when do I book travel? And the only thing that I can tell you is to book as soon as you possibly can, especially when it comes to cruises. People are booking cruises. Uh, it's high demand right now for cruises. I will tell you that our number one time period that we are booking cruises for customers is August, September, October, November, and December of 2025. Yes, there are other dates that we are booking even for 2024, but that is the peak booking window that we are seeing right now, and it is just July 1st of 2024. So book just as soon as you can. That way you can get, the best accommodations that you want for you and the best rates. So, when you think about your travel, if you're going to go someplace, you've got the dates off, you're out of school, your vacation time, whatever the reason, book as far as you can so you can get that lowest possible rate, and also get those suites and those rooms that you want. So those are my two travel updates for you today on this Independence Week. But before I say bon voyage, tomorrow, July 2nd, 2024, I will be coming live on Zoom, Facebook, and YouTube. And my friend James, who is with Amstar, it is a destination management company that we work with a lot. They handle tours in Hawaii, in the Caribbean, and Mexico, those tropical destinations. They also handle the transfers. And this is the one of the primary companies that we work with to book your transfers and even some of your tours with. So if you want to, I will include the link in the description of this video with the Zoom registration. So join us tomorrow, July 2nd, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and he is going to give you an update on the brand new Tulum Airport. It's been open for a couple of months now. We've already had quite a few customers travel through this airport, but James is going to join me tomorrow and give us an update on the Tulum Airport and even resorts within that area of Tulum, and then even up into the Riviera Maya. So I hope you can join us tomorrow. But for now, I'm going to say bon voyage. And once again, if you've not already done so, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. That way you can stay up to date with all things travel. All right, have a great day, my friends, and I will see you soon. All along.